Hold on, I'm still chewing gum here.
Oh. Hey, Dell the do-it-yourselfers. Today we have these chocolate raisins, if I had to guess. Chocolate raisins. You know, chocolate-covered raisins. Pretty good. Fresh fruit. Meatball. You want to
give her a little sample?
I mean, that's with chocolate-covered fruit. You really can't go wrong with chocolate-covered fruit. Because chocolate just elevates everything. I will say, though, I'm not a big fan of grapes. So I'm not a big fan of raisins because of that. So I will give this probably about a 5. Because I do like it. Or it's not terrible. But it's not like a go-to snack that I would get at a store. Or I'm not like craving this ever. Really ever in my life.
Actually, now that I've had some of those, I think I'm starting to crave these. That's a 7 out of 10.
You're a big fan?
Have you ever had like chocolate covered cherries or something? Chocolate covered strawberries?
Yeah,
that's chocolate covered. That's the chocolate covered fruit you want to go for.
Yeah, I'm more of a berry guy myself. I'm not a big raisin person. But yeah, I'll give it like a 5. I mean, it's good, but it's not like a go-to for me.
Well, see, that's the thing. I don't have that raisins that often. But
yeah, for sure.
Yeah. I would say they're good.
So this is slightly better than juicy fruit?
I mean, it's definitely better. I mean, anything is better than juicy fruit. But
I would say this amount of raisins would get you a long way. I mean,
yeah, but we've been working on it for a while.